Ateneo's versus
Starters for Ateneo, Casey Cortez, Giselle Enjiga, Hulapa, Jenna Hora, Giselle Chunashima, and Lomoxo with their starting libero, Fiona Arroyo. On the side of UP, Julia De Leon, their center, Nina Itang, Isa Gamboa, Yesha Noceja, Cassie Dongallo, Fina Ali, and their starting libero is Gisha Capistrano. Brought to you by Shakey's. From era to era to era, the fun keeps rolling. 50 years of fun, family, and pizza at Shakey's. We're live from the San Andres Sports Complex in Malate, Manila. As Ateneo getting that first serve. Dongallo immediately going to work for UP.
Cassie Dong.
Yeah, outside. Pasok din yung ace. Yung serve rather. This serve of the game brought to you by Shakey's. From era to era to era, the fun keeps rolling. 50 years of fun, family, and pizza at She has a brother who also plays basketball in San Sebastian. One of those family of athletes. Oh, nice rejection from Fina Ali.
In the middle.
This block is brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar. Order now. 6-2. Bump set by Cortez. Hora again. 3 consecutive blocks.
Dominance here shown by the UP Fighting Maroon. Just no coverage on the side of Ateneo.
This block is brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken
and that's on me. But today, the team is focused on rebuilding, slowly and patiently. We start from zero. One step back, order first because order leads to discipline and discipline leads to transition.
Here.
Well, UP though, in today's match, off to a great start. We saw a couple of blocks. I'm sure Coach Fabio also strengthening that blocking.
Galing mo doon. You put words into my mouth. Kayla, sorry. I have Sherio for Ateneo, Coach Fabio naman for UP.
So 2 different systems and both rebuilding teams. So I'm sure these squads just really have to trust the process. And one day, the new systems will definitely pay off.
Nice rally here. Julia De Leon, off-speed attack from Yesha Noceja. Chunashima, dug up by Capistrano. Hinabol na lang at itinawid ni Dongallo. Fiona Arroyo sets up Chunashima, who breaks through the block.
That was a quality match so far. But Arroyo with a bump set to Giselle Chunashima. Again, getting a check and that point for Ateneo.
When she became a setter, because the size obviously is there. As Cassie Dongallo just...
Reception pattern of UP.
Ooh, ace ulit. That injury she suffered in the UAP season. Because she was playing so well.
These girls supporting their former teammates, whether that was their teammates in the GVille. Bacolod itong players supporting Casey Cortez, Gian Chuadico. Actually in this lineup of Ateneo.
Ateneo though needs to solve this very intimidating net press here. Reverse set, Fina Ali just towering over the blockers.
There for Ateneo because of Ali there, just really capitalizing on that late blocking.
See, 21-17. Dongallo picked up by Fiona Arroyo. Chunashima. Doname De Leon clips the line.
Good target for De Leon on the side of UP on that time.
This cool play is brought to you by R&B Milk Tea. Order now. 2 points away from securing set number 1. Pasha was set back there. Another block by UP.
On the side of Ateneo's coverage.
Zay Pasha gets that one in.
This time Pasha.
Dongallo. Babalik sa UP ang bola. Fina Ali. De Leon. Binalikan si Dongallo sa bandang kanan. And she punctuates set number 1. After Ateneo inched closer, was able to close out the first set in style. Cassie Dongallo piling up the points as usual. Fighting Maroons take care of the first set, 25-19.
The playmaker now for UP.
Daming former Bacolod Taytong high school players. Itong unit ng Ateneo.
So,
0 na.
Good start this time for the Blue Eagles.
Gajero elevates. And she scores.
Too powerful of an attack coming from Gajero. Hermosura.
Couple of sequences.
Some adjustments on the setting.
Zay Pasha from the right pin.
Aside of Ateneo, great setup as well from Fujimoto.
This spike is brought to you by Potato Corner, world's best flavored fries. Order now.
No cherry in the past few games that we've seen here in the Shaky Super League. But really needing to heat up in this match aside from Hermosura.
Yeah. Gajero. At least that floor defense working for Ateneo. But not that time. Third time's the charm for Jelay Gajero. For ACL during the preseason. Hermosura. So, actually, talking about Jelay Gajero, Kayla, she hasn't even made
Any moment. Now the jersey may be new, but the heart behind it has been blue all along. Back to you, Ken and Kayla.
Thanks so much, Fiona. It's always nice when you...
With UP,
10-6, Fighting Maroons with a 4-point lead. Casey Madriaga reverses it to Kian Olango, who targets Tax Fujimoto.
Kian
California Academy. 5 sila dyan, no? From UP. In UP, rather, na galing California Academy. Oh, Hermosura breaks through that wall. Ira Haboneta, cross court.
Haboneta with a tough angle.
Ahead by 6.
It's a good serve by Fujimoto.
Rising up is Kian Olango, picked up there by Tax. Sa gitna, Baklay. Fujimoto, pinuntahan si Nisperos. Oh!
That was a lucky faulty sets we're seeing on the side of the Blue Eagles.
This school play is brought to you by R&B Milk Tea. Order now. 18-13. Haboneta bumps it up to Jelay Gajero, far from the net. Papansin mo yung mga set ni Jelay. Yung mga ganyan, gusto niya ganyan eh.
Quicker sets and those shoot.
9-point lead. Reverse set, Zay Pasha. Nandun na naman si Jelay.
That hang time. Better receive from Ateneo.
Oh, nice execution. Fujimoto setting up.
Of a perfect pass. Fujimoto has so many options and Nisperos finishing that one.
The spike brought to
Errors twice or multiple times. And of course, wanting to correct that right away.
Oh man, Jelay Gajero. This second set.
Jelay Gajero hitting from all sides of the court and finishes set number 2 with a cross-court attack.
25-15. UP is now ahead 2 sets to none. Oh, Kayla, 9 points lahat sa second set.
9 points for Gajero, 7 for Ali, and 5 for Dongallo. Again, 7 errors for Ateneo in that second set. They really have to limit that in this third if they want to push this game into extended play.
That time, nice anticipation by Doname.
This match so far.
This block is brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar. Order now.
Noticing that Gajero is really the top scorer for today, changing their block pattern.
And to move in, but more than just technical advice, he believes in the girls, telling them you already know this. Now the game isn't over, so they have to keep fighting until the very last point. Back to you, Ken and Kayla.
Thank you so much, Fiona. It's easier said than done because, like we said, time and time again, we've been harping on this. It's more mental, more than anything else, no? On how they try to lock in. And this time, nakita mo, si Chuwatico, hindi rin na naitawid yung bola doon. At hihiling na ng timeout si Coach. Coverage, net defense.
Actually, coverage plays a huge role in the confidence of a spiker.
Yeah.
Knowing your teammates are there to cover that ball just in case you get blocked, and right on cue again.
But again, when you talk about these two teams, both of them actually trying to make it to the Final Four again.
Hoping to get a win as we end round number 2.
And Kayla, should UP go on and win of the winning team in our next matchup. This block is brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar. Order now.
Yes, for our second match.
Oo. Kung sino manalo dun, posibleng
It's really more of a mental game for them. If you look at them individually, these girls are very skilled and talented, but it's really the mental game they have. Program, I mean, they got a lot of blue chip recruits from Visayas.
Oh, Gajero with a powerful UP.
Better receive now for Ateneo.
Ooh, Nisperos with a hammer.
Nisperos go.
Tignan mo yung UP. Meron din silang mga slight problems, no? It's a good one.
Lapses that we see throughout the game, but what's good about bounce back and get that momentum right back on their side?
Isa pang dilemma nila, Kayla, is given how deep this team is, who's gonna be their main six? And who's gonna make the...
Not her usual output.
Si Chuatico, no? Halos di natin naramdaman dito for Ateneo. I mean, she hasn't really had a lot of touches. Zaboneta unwrapping an early Christmas present. Very few touches. Tsunashima.
Tsunashima getting that 1-3. 2 points away from bagging this match. Discussing some plays, and we see right away Jen Umayam.
Back-to-back points yung Ateneo. He called for time. Similar case here in set number 3. And that's gonna do it. UP cruising along to this very comfortable win over Ateneo.
As we head to the next round, but this match closing out 25-19, 25-15, 25-14, all in favor of the UP Fighting Maroons.